Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell how you can earn free BTC worth 50 rupees. So you can earn more if you refer your friends. So per friend you'll get 50 rupees worth BTC, and you just need to have one PAN card and your KYC detail. So let's get started. You have to download the app named CoinSwitch. I'll be giving the link in the description. Even you can download it from the Play Store, but you won't be getting the 50 rupees if you are not invited by any of your friends. So if you want to earn a 50 rupees BTC, just sign up through the link given in the description. Here I got 123 rupees worth BTC. When you join here, you will see one scratch card. You have to scratch it, and for the first time when you refer through my link, you'll get 50 rupees worth BTC here. Here, these are the referrals I made, and these are the few BTC I won. Here you can see I have got 50 rupees BTC when my friend joined through my link. Even he got the 50 rupees BTC. You guys might be wondering how to redeem this 50 rupees to your bank. I don't recommend you to redeem this BTC to your bank because this 50 rupees might be a 500, might change to 500 in near future. So I recommend you to hold it for a while, maybe a year. So it may turn into a 500 or it may turn into 5000 in a year. So I will recommend you to hold it. So whenever the BTC rate goes high and you think this is a time you have to redeem it, then you can think of for redeeming it. So till then I will recommend you to hold it for a while, maybe a year, so you get a good profit from that free 50 rupees which you have got. Here you will see few of the cryptocurrency I have bought. So I don't recommend you to buy any of those. If you have some savings you can go to it, but I don't recommend you to buy because these are subject to market risk, may go high, may come down anytime. So I don't recommend it. So use it your free 50 rupees BTC and turn your luck. Here I have bought Tata Network, Power Ledger. If you are in profit, if you are in loss, whenever you buy the 50 rupees BTC, it will be listed under Bitcoin section here. If you click a Bitcoin here, you will see the 50 rupees BTC that you have got. So whenever the rate goes high, you can sell it anytime. So you don't have to worry about anything. Before you download this app, make sure you have PAN card and other KYC details. So here in India, you need to have the business verified for KYC if you are holding any money. So you need to complete your KYC. Here you need to provide the basic information like name, and your email ID, and the PAN card details along with your photo. So these are the basic details you need to provide before you claim your 50 rupees BTC. So once your KYC is complete, you will be eligible and you will be provided with 50 rupees BTC. Also, they have a support team. They will be helping you with your queries. You can raise a ticket or you can mail them. So you don't have to worry about the customer support. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the app from the description link and get your BTC.